Okay, I'm gonna cut the little stitches here I did a couple months ago. Trying to fix my seat. Gotta put the camera down. I need two hands to do this, or otherwise I'm gonna cut the seat even worse. I think you get the idea. Okay, we got the hole open up. It says to put some of the vinyl glue to help hold the seam together. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to go over top of it with a little bit of the filler material. So I got all the stitches out. Okay, got the vinyl adhesive here. Here's a little spatula thing. Vinyl adhesive, there's the rest of the packets. And I'm going to apply some here and see what happens. Okay, got the vinyl adhesive on there. Pushing it down. Looks like Elmer's glue, but it's rubbier, almost like a rubber cement type glue, even though it's white. Hopefully the camera's showing this. I'm not doing this. Anyways, I just piled some right into there and pushing that down. I don't know how long that's got to dry, but we'll let that dry overnight, I guess, and then tomorrow I'll come back out here and start a little bit of filler. Looks like when I sewed that together, I pulled the seam and I just got to force this leather here to fold on itself, which, when you fold the fabric in each other, just kind of weakens it. So looks like I got some dry rot here happening too, so maybe eventually I should just replace the whole darn seat covering. Buy a set through lmcdirect.com, or LMC truck, whatever it is. Okay, added some more glue in there, the vinyl adhesive as I call it. Pile on a little thick, a little thicker than probably what needs to be, but it just felt like the edge of that leather was lifting a little, so piled in a little deeper, a little thicker, and seems to be holding. Okay, it's 10 o'clock the next morning. It's dry, a little bit tacky, but it's cold out here. It's like 41 degrees. So anyways, I'm going to mix up a little gray blending agent, filler agent, whatever you want to call it. Try to go over that, a little bit of hole right there, and see what happens here. I know it's not going to be perfect, but oh well. Okay, we got the white, black, the empty one, the mixing, the spatula. Gonna put a little white, a little dab of black in here, hopefully get the gray, and proceed. Okay, I mixed 2 parts white, 1 part black, and that's way too much. So I guess I should have used smaller portions, so that looks more like a charcoal gray. So I need gray. Let's add a little more white. This is hard to do. Okay, maybe I went over a little too heavy, but anyways, I tried to do some of the light cracks over here because I mixed up too much. Looks like crap, so I think it'll hold. I'll put a seat cover over it, and eventually I'll buy a whole new seat covering or get a new seat out of the junkyard in better shape. So anyways, I don't know. I guess I should have left it well enough alone. I don't like it, but I guess I goofed it up now.